welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have a Tesco food shop for you. It was a big one. It was £133, but just over £30 of that, like 34 quid of that, was an anniversary present for Ben, a frying pan, and then a Christmas present for my uncle. So it's £100, still a big food shop, but we got a lot. I feel like I've got a lot. So I want a gravy boat, so yeah, a bit more, like 40 quid-ish is non-essentials. But the rest is food for the week and new stuff for the kids to try. And I got all the stuff to make my Christmas gravy, because I do a Christmas gravy every year, a Jamie Oliver one. I do a double batch of it because it is the best gravy in the world. I think I've got a video. If I have, I'll link it somewhere. I'm trying to do Tesco at the moment because they have a club card price. So like some things, for example, Ben's anniversary present was £25, but a club card price, it was 15. So you get quite good deals. So yeah, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. At the end, I will go through our food plan for the week. I am calorie counting. Ben and the kids aren't doing anything, obviously, but I am calorie counting. So I will talk you through the meal plan at the end. Yeah, let's jump in. Okay, so we'll start at this end. I've got a huge pack, 24 bags of Quavers, because both the girls and Foxy like them. I got 2 lots of these stone-baked pizza bases. These are like £1.20 for 2, and they are so yummy, and they're not too big, not too small. They're just really nice. They've got really long dates on them as well, so you can just keep them in your cupboard if you need to. But I've got them because we're having pizzas tonight. We got some Foxy Snacks. He really likes these Kiddylicious coconut rolls. They're like little packs with like 4 or 6 in each. I can't remember, but he really likes them. I got him some pea puffs. He's not had these before. But they're just something else for him to try. And then I got some apple and orange Flapjack bars. The girls like these. It's a bit annoying because Mika likes the carrot ones, Ari likes the raspberry. And I'm not buying 2 lots because they're like £2.50 a box. So I said we'll try these ones and see if everyone likes them. Got some chicken nuggets because we just ran out. We've got bananas, carrots and onions, which are for my Christmas gravy recipe. Some strawberries. I've stopped really buying strawberries because they've been horrible, but these looked really nice. The date on them is only tomorrow, so we'll just eat these today. Well, the kids will eat them today. Got me and Foxy and Ben some Piccolo Tomatoes. The girls wanted melon. Apparently they have it at school with their hot dinners occasionally as a pudding, so they've assured me they like that. Ari wanted peppers, and obviously she wanted the tiny posh ones that cost like £1.70, but she'll eat like 1 or 2 of these a day, so I don't mind too much because she doesn't really eat a lot of veg. Mika's got some mushrooms. I got myself 3 avocados. I sort of had a feel, and I got one that is going to be for today and tomorrow for like avocado toast for lunch, and then the other 2 should last for the week. Got Foxy some baby potatoes, some pomegranate because both the girls like that. Some spaghetti because we're having spaghetti tomorrow night and we'd nearly run out. Some tiny macaroni because this is the pasta the girls like for when they have bolognese and stuff, or just butter pasta. They like that one. I got a couple of Christmas bits for my Christmas cupboard, some treeslets and some dry roasted peanuts. I've got some star anise, which is going to go in my Christmas gravy. Got myself some decaf coffee because I've nearly run out. Cranberry sauce, again for the gravy. Girls milk, Foxy milk. I got this one for Ben. Me and Ben are trying to go dairy free with our milks. Well, I am dairy free with my milk, but he's trying different ones. He didn't like the almond milk, so I've got him oat milk to try it, and then I've got an almond milk for me there. We've got some iceberg. I would normally buy like a whole iceberg, but they didn't have, the only ones they had today were really squishy and gross, so I went for a bag because we're just going to have it tonight as salad. And Aria's got some spinach because she loves baby spinach. Some celery for my gravy, a ginormous cucumber for the girls for their pack-ups. Some sage and some rosemary for the gravy. I had to get some drawing pins because I bought some beautiful paper snowflakes from the Paper Snowflake Company to decorate the house, and they need pins to go in the ceiling. I bought a gravy boat because I've got one, but it literally holds like 2 tablespoons of gravy. So I got this big one. This was £4 or £5 for Christmas. I got Foxy some Whatsits. I normally only buy them when they're on offer, but they weren't on offer today, which is annoying. They were £1.99 a bag, which is ridiculous, but they'll last him for like 2 weeks because he only has like 4 or 5 at a time. I got him some yogurts. These are just the Tesco own brand. I think they're like Petit Falou, but just the cheap ones. The girls got some tubes instead of the Frubes because they're cheaper. Hummus for Mika because she likes to have hummus and breadsticks in her packed lunch. Butter, I've tried this one. We normally get Country Life or Lurpak, but I thought I would try this one, see what it's like, because it was quite a lot cheaper. Sausage rolls because it's nearly lunchtime and Mika and Ari are having snack plate for lunch, and she wants sausage roll. Pancakes for Foxy. I do have pancakes in the freezer that I make him, like apple and carrot ones, but sometimes if I'm out I just want something quick. These are nice to take because he loves them. Wraps for a meal this week. Aria wanted these little 12 mini white pitters. She assures me she likes them, so she will be having some of these with her snack plate today to see if she does like them or if she is lighting our pants on fire. Mozzarella for pizza tonight. Parmesan for another meal. Smoky bacon lardons. These are for the gravy. Chorizo, went for the spicy one, and pepperoni for pizzas. Bacon for avocado toast with bacon and egg. Mince because the girls want, what do they want with mince this week? Burgers on Friday night. I don't think that's going to last until Friday, so I'll have to freeze it and then defrost it. Biscuits for the girls' biscuit tin. I got my Uncle James, who will not watch this video so don't have to worry, a Fox's biscuit box which looks nice. I got some free range eggs. These are from where I live, like East Anglia, so we got some of them. I got my go-to like treat for the kids, these little tiny Kinder bars. They're like the ones the size of your finger. I keep these in the fridge for them. I got some zipper bags because I need to put the gravy in it, because the gravy does like 2 lots, but then I double it, so I get like 4 lots. And if I do it into smaller bags as well, I get more, and I put them in the freezer because it's literally the best gravy in the world. I normally get them from Ikea because they're cheaper, but Ikea's shut. And the girls wanted some new cereal, and we saw these, and these were like on the club card offer, and it's chocolate breakfast cereal. So it's a bear, and then it says you put it in a bowl with some milk. And it's whole grain oats, rice and chocolate chunks. So it looks nice and I think they'll like it. And then they also picked Cocoa Pops. Got them some apples, because Foxy's starting to eat apples now, so I always get the cheapest ones because he literally has like 3 little bites and then kicks it around like a football, and then he'll have 3 little bites an hour later, so I like to get the cheap ones. I got a Leek because I'm going to make leek and potato soup. This is my frying pan. So that was like £16, I think. We'll see what it's like. It says aluminium, but it says it's going to work on my hob, and I've got induction, but we'll see. It looks quite nice, but I tried to make pancakes this morning, and our pan has just had it. It just had no non-stick left. It was knackered, so that went in the bin. We have been meaning to get a new one for like 5 or 6 months, and we just kept putting it off. So I got that. I got some Method anti-bac bathroom cleaner, just because I like Method stuff, and it's not, I think it's like, it's all nice and plant-based and non-chemically. I think this is cruelty-free, I'm pretty sure it is. So I'll put it on the screen if it's not, but I think it is. I got 2 lots of chicken wings. These are like £1.56 for the gravy. I can't remember who told me on Instagram, but Tesco's do, because I have to have Diet Coke caffeine free, they do 24 cans. Most of them do 8 cans for like $3.99, and this was 24 cans for £8, so that was good. And then this is Ben's anniversary present. It's not our anniversary until tomorrow, but I gave it to him now because I was going to film this. So that's it's whiskey. And then I also got, that's already gone in the freezer, some ice creams. So that was the shop. I'm going to get it put away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. Hey! I put all the shopping away. I have my meal plan. You can't see it because it's stuck on the window on a giant post-it. Let me take it off so I can actually tell you what we're having. A bit of sellotape on it. So I've got my meal plan. Today is Saturday, I just think then. Oh, I've got brain farts. It's one of those days. I'm trying to get the house ready for Christmas and it's just a nightmare. Which is why all this is going to move soon. This is all going somewhere else. So we can have space for a Christmas tree in the living room with a cage around it so Fox can't get it. Anyway, today is Saturday. We're having pizza tonight with those pizza bases. They're so good. Tomorrow we're going to have Spaghetti Bolognaise. I make my own Bolognese sauce. I know a few people have asked if I can do some cook along videos again. And I can, just let me know what you want me to cook. Monday, me and Ben are going to have potato cakes and egg, which is basically mashed potato. And then you put a bit of cheese, some peas, and then some ham or some bacon in it. And then fry them off, like dust them in flour and then fry them off so they just get nice and gooey. And then you put a fried egg on the top and they're amazing, they're so good. Tuesday, we're having cheesy cauliflower pasta bake. So it's basically like mac and cheese, but with cauliflower, maybe some broccoli as well if I've got some, and peas. And like I just put loads of veggies in it and then it just bulks it out. And then the girls will just have butter pasta. So we just cook them pasta and then they put butter on it and then some parmesan because they don't like cheese sauce because I don't know, I just don't understand. Wednesday we're gonna have chicken quesadillas. So it's just basically chicken wraps. Is it a chicken quesadilla or an enchilada? I think it's quesadillas that you fry in a pan. So we're just gonna cook some chicken breast and then we'll shred it and then we'll put it in a wrap with some cheese, fold it over and then fry it both sides. And then Thursday, me and Ben are gonna have risotto with leftover chicken. So it's like risotto with onions and peas and green beans. If you've got asparagus, you can chuck it in. It's really good, absolutely yummy. And then if you have any risotto left, you can make arancini balls, which are just so good. But we're not. I'm just gonna make the exact amount we need, and the kids will have nuggets. We do like try and eat together, but it's not always possible just because the kids are 5 and 6 and 1 and they don't like everything. We don't want to just have to eat exactly what they eat every night. So how many nights we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 or 6 nights of the week we'll eat together, and we'll eat the same thing or a variation of. So that's Thursday, and then Friday is movie night, so we're gonna have burgers. Just homemade burgers, literally get the mince with some salt and some pepper, smush it all up, and then I weigh it all out into portions. And I'll have mine with no bun and then popcorn on the side and salad, and the kids will have theirs with a bun. Ari doesn't have hers in a bun, she just has a bit of a bun next to it. Foxy just has a burger with some food, like a bit of bread or some toast on the side, and he has little boiled potatoes because he loves those. I might actually have some boiled potatoes as well with mine. But then Ben and me could just have like a cheeseburger. I've got hiccups. So yeah, that is the meal plan for the week. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.